How to add payment method on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add payment method on Uber Eats. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber Eats application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now to add a payment method, tap on the account option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the wallet option you see there in your profile settings page. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see the type of payment methods you can add on Uber Eats. You can add gift card, PayPal, or your credit or debit card. Select the type of payment method you want to add and further enter the required details. You will be asked to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and country. So go ahead and enter those and tap on the Save button once you are done making the necessary changes, and with this the payment method will be added. So this is how you can add payment method on Uber Eats. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. See you on the next one.